What's up, everybody? I wanted to hop on here, do a quick video about the Lumary RGB outdoor spotlights. As you can see here, we are setting up for Halloween. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take them, I'm going to put them all in a nice little row here so that we give a nice orange glow, maybe a little purple glow. I don't know. I'll play with it because they are smart and they are actually controlled by an app, so I can actually make this whatever color, any display that I want. So inside the box, you got your ground stakes, and you've actually got your string of lights. And one thing I like that Lumary does is they actually give you a lot of cord before you get to the plug, right? From the plug to that first light is a lot of cord, so you don't actually have to bring power all the way up to your first light. And something that Lumary does on all of their products is they have this little proprietary coupler so that if you want to add multiple strings or you want to add an extension in here, you can do that. So basically it's just a quick little unscrew. If I can do this one-handed, and then basically that's going to pop out of that coupling, and then you can just, again, insert another Lumary string to get as much cord or as many lights as you want. You can actually get, I think it's 4 or 5 in a row if you want to do a whole row of spotlights. And once we get the LEDs out of the packaging, as you can see, there's the chips in there, so these are going to be nice and bright. These are actually an all metal kind of powder coated construction so that you can leave them outside. They are indoor-outdoor light. Everything looks to be watertight with that nut on the back. And there's also this little hole in the base that's going to go onto the stakes. Let me show you that real quick. So in each stake kit, and as you can hear, these stakes are metal, so they're not going to crack like plastic stakes would. So you got that, and you also have a little screw. So the screw is going to come here into the back, and then it's going to screw into the threaded hole at the top of the stake. When you're done, your light's going to look something like this, and then this can actually just press right into the ground all the way down. I'm not going to put it there because I want to put them here in a line. But let me get these set up and then I'll kind of show you what they look like. And here you can see here at night, it throws all kinds of color. It's Halloween, so I've got the purple and I've got the orange here, and you can see it lights the whole house up. And they also have the setting where you can set all the different colors to kind of chase each other. This way you can make a very nice, cool light display. So definitely recommend these.